Hello, today we're going to do a brief tutorial on how to access your library account online. The first thing you're going to do is go to the library's website. So if you go up to the address bar, you can type in Jaffrey Public Library.org. You can see it's already remembering I've done this before. Once you're on the library's website, you can go on over to the left-hand side of the page where the Library Action Center menu is, and click on Catalog and Account. This will take you to the library's catalog page, where up in the upper right-hand side of the menu is the login. That's where you're going to add your library card number and your password. If you don't know your password, you can always reset it by visiting the library's email, sending an email to the library's email account, library@townofjaffrey.com, or you can give us a call at 603-532-7301. Once you've logged in, you have access to your account. So if you want to review what's currently checked out and renew things, you can do that. You can place reserves. You can see a history of what you've checked out. You also have access to our electronic resources from home, Tumble Books, Newsbank, Mango Languages. Many things on this menu require login before you click the links. And that's really the basics of how to log in. Thank you. We'll talk to you next time.